Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Roofing Solutions. Today we are excited to talk to you about financing options for your roofing projects. We understand that a new roof or roof repair it can be a significant investment, and we want to make the process as easy and accessible for you. To explore our financing options, simply head over to our website www.drroofing.com, and once you're there, navigate to the tab About Us, and you will find a section dedicated to roof financing. Click on the tab to learn more about the financing plans we offer. Now, let's walk through the steps to get pre-approved for roof financing through Acorn Finances. You can do this just in a few minutes. Once you are on the Dr. Roofing dashboard on Acorn Finance's website, you will get simple questions such as how much money you need, what is your zip code, your estimated credit score, your housing status, what is your current employment status, your gross annual income, the date when you were born, first and last name, your contact number, your street address, your email. Then they will ask if you need additional finances to cover the fees, your social security number, and finally, if you would like to add a co-borrower. Once you complete these questions, you will get a list of offers for you. If you have any questions or need assistance along the way, do not hesitate to reach out to our team. We are here to help you every step of the way. Thank you for choosing Dr. Roofing Solutions. We are not only provide top-notch roofing services, but also offer convenient financing options to make your project a reality.